Welcome back to my shop again. This is the second video I'm making on my Back to Basics series. Short videos, real short videos. Now this one I'm going to make on gluing segments into a ring using the half ring glue up method. The half ring glue up method, just like it sounds, you make two half rings, then you glue them together. The advantages of a half ring glue up method is it's easy, it's real easy. The disadvantage is if you're not real careful, you can end up with an oval shaped ring. So I got 16 segments cut for a ring, about a 4.5 inch diameter ring, nothing special. And what I'm going to do first is glue them together in pairs, 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2, 2, 2 and 2. And I'm going to be using a rub joint. Now if you don't know what a rub joint is, it's exactly what it sounds like. Put a little glue on them. These are cut, they're sanded, they're defeathered, ready to go. Put a little glue on one. I'm using Tight Bound Quick and Thick. It dries clear. Same properties as Tight Bound 2 basically. Rub the glue around a little bit. Make sure they're well covered. Then rub them together back and forth. If you rub them back and forth a little bit, they'll start to get real tight right here. Then line them up exactly like you want them. Make sure the back edges are lined up. And let them set. Another couple of minutes, they won't come apart. So I'm going to glue up all of them into pairs. All into pairs. So I'm going to have 8 pairs. Okay, I got them glued into pairs. Got 8 pairs glued together. Now, what I'm going to do is glue 2 pairs together, 2 pairs together, so I get 4 sets of 4 segments. You only got to let them dry for about 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, and they're not coming apart. You can go ahead and make the next glue up. So, I'll take a pair, put some glue on it. Don't take much, a little bit of glue. Take another pair, make another rub joint. Nice rub joint. Rub them until they stick. Oh yeah. Make sure they're lined up right. And let them set. Like I said, they got to set for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. That's it. I'm going to glue up the rest the same way. Yeah, they've set for about 3 minutes. They're not coming apart. What I'm going to do now is glue the 4s together, which will give me a half ring. So I'm going to glue these together and we'll get 2 half rings. Only took just a few minutes to get these glued up. Not long. Again, just a rub joint. Now, what I'm going to do is try and get the ends lined up right. Rub joint, see if I can get the ends lined up pretty close. Yeah. Okay. Squeeze it down. Now I'll do the other side, the other half ring. Depending on how close they were cut and how close I glued the pairs up and the pairs into 4s will determine how close the ends are to square. See if I can get the ends fairly well square. Uh-oh. Okay, let these set for, oh, maybe 5 minutes, and then we'll make the ends flush. Okay, I let them set for a few minutes. We got 2 half rings, and we got to glue the half rings together. Now these come pretty close. Again, like I say, how close the segments were cut and how close they were glued. Of course, they're not exactly. There's a gap. So we got to make those two fit together. What we're going to do, we're going to chalk the ends. Chalk the ends. This is chalk they sell at the dollar store. Kids chalk, works great. Any color that shows up on the wood. We chalk the ends. Now we're going to put them up against the disc sander till the chalk's gone. Now we say, okay, I don't have a disc sander. You can make a disc sander that fits your lathe real easy. I got a video just on how to make such a disc sander. I got one hanging up here. And you can make it, of course, any size you want, up to the size of your lathe. So if you don't have a disc sander, it's easy enough to make one and put on your lathe. I got a video on how to do it. But now we're going to take these over to my disc sander, and we're going to sand them till the chalk's gone. I'm going to sand them both here, just until the chalk's gone. No more. A little bit of chalk. Just a tiny bit. Chalk's gone on this one. A bit left. So, the chalk's all gone on these. Okay, they've been sanded. And they fit together perfect now. But this is where the trouble comes from. If you have to sand them too much, you're going to get an oval ring. Now these I didn't sand very much. I had to sand one just a little bit more than the other, and you can see the difference. This one here is just a little bit smaller than the other one. So it's starting to make an oval. But we're going to go ahead and glue them together again with a couple of rub joints. All we're going to do. Rub them good. If it gets sticky, line them up. And glue them together. You got it. We'll let it dry. And we've got the ring glued up. All the joints are tight. I guarantee you all the joints are tight. It's easy. It's quick. Only took me about 15 minutes to do this. Even if it's that long, got to let it dry a little bit before we flatten it. Flatten them, of course, will be another video. Simple, easy. The disadvantage is, again, They can make an oval ring if you sand them too much. If you got a pattern ring, you can ruin the pattern if you sand them too much. But quick and easy, done. All the joints are tight in it, I guarantee. When we sand it, you can look at the tight joints, but we ain't going to sand it in this one. So, that's the end of this quick little video, short, to the point. The next video I'm going to make another ring, but I'm going to do it with a one glow up, single glow up, one whole ring glow up at a time. And that is the method I prefer. It's, you got to cut them accurately. And if they're not accurate, you got to adjust one. I can show you how to do that. Even I'll make a set if it is accurate, I'll still adjust one just to show. And, well, we'll wait to see that video, and thank you for watching. Please come back and see my next video.